Hey! Ooh, there you are. Wow, that was quite a greeting. Listen, I need to talk to you. I really need some advice.
What's going on?
Well, it's about Nick. I mean, it's not that he's being a pig. I just, I feel unappreciated, you know? Tell him, just come out and say it?
Yeah.
Just straight up say how I feel.
No.
Yeah, I don't know. You know, he gets super weird when I talk about anything serious. He gets all nervous and he tries to moonwalk out of the room. It's weird. I know, right? It's so funny. He does not know how to communicate. I don't know, but you're right. I think I just need to tell him. That's so sweet. I think what you mean to say is I got your back. I got your back. But that's really cute. Yes, I'm sure. Is that French? What? Can you tell me again who your Lord and Savior is? I'm a Christian too. Yeah. Anyway, another thing I wanted to ask you, could I borrow your AirPods?
No.
Oh, thank you so much.
Are you sure you don't need them?
I've just been dying to listen to an audiobook with that app you told me about. What's it called again?
Audible.
What is it?
Audible.
Yes, exactly.
What's that? What are you doing? Hello?
Oh, I thought you didn't mind.
Ginger.
He is?
Yeah.
Oh, crap, you're right. I thought he was coming tomorrow. What day is it again?
Monday.
I forgot. We're supposed to make a TikTok together today.
You wanna go back?
Yeah, I better get down and go greet him. But hey, thank you so much for your advice. You always know what to say. I love you.
Message.
Hey, maybe later we can sing a song together.
Oh yeah, the rubber. You kind of get it. The rubber around it. Yes.
There we go. Wow, looks like perfect.
Okay, tell me when.
So are you gonna reach into the frame?
Yeah, all it is a grab.
So her go this way a little bit.
Hurry. So I think it just needs to be way over there.
Okay.
But we're close.
Hello? Wanna go back? Go back. Audible. Hello? Hello? That bird. Audible. Hello? Kickabout. Audible. Hello?